Hello friends, today I will tell you 6 such plants which not only look good but also suits for your house. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit the bell. Do follow me on Instagram where I post on the recent plant photos. The first plant in my list is the Chlorophytum comosum, commonly known as spider plant. They loves to grow in partial indirect sunlight but not in darkness. Harsh sunlight may harm the leaves and burn the tips. These are the pups which I have shown you earlier how to propagate them. If you want to watch this video, I will give you the link in the description box. This is the another pup which has grown from the mother plant. I have kept this plant just beside the cable unit where it receives the partial light. The next plant in my list is the Sansevieria, commonly known as snake plant. Now this plant is popular due to its air purifying capacity by removing the harmful toxins and substances from the air. I have kept this plant in the beautiful grey container which prevents to make the floor dirty. In many researches and studies, snake plants are preferred to keep at the bedroom plants because of their air purifying capacity and bedroom loving plants. I have kept the snake plant just beside my bed where it receives a good amount of indirect sunlight from the window. Many researches and study also reveals the fact that the keeping snake plant besides the bed helps to give the person a sound sleep. This snake plant not only improves the air quality but also enhances the decor by giving the greenery with my interior. Due to its slow growth, they are very easy to maintain. The next plant in my list is the small leaf asparagus. Asparagus is somewhat similar to the ferns, but not actually the ferns. The small spiny leaves is very attractive and giving appearance of a beautiful tall trees. Asparagus are very easy to care and low maintenance plant. I have not repotted this plant yet. It has been growing since a month in this nursery bag. The leaves of the asparagus gives a feeling of calmness and a relaxing mood. Asparagus are the fast growing plants and can grow in any condition, whether it be the low light condition or in the full bright sunlight. I have kept this plant right at the corner where it receives the bright light from these two windows. These feathery leaves gives a very contrasting effect to these off-white walls. It doesn't get the harsh sunlight or the direct sunlight, but it receives the partial and indirect sunlight. Here they are thriving well, where I keep the soil moist every time. They are really doing great here and giving a greeniness contrast to these white walls which looks very great to the interior. This one, the pink variety, is the coleus one which are giving to the shine to my propagation station. These are the propagation station which I have shared the videos earlier, the cuttings of the trendy plants like this one is the philodendron and many other plants which I used to propagate here just next to the window slit. All the cuttings are doing very well next to this window slit where it receives the partial and indirect sunlight and not the harsh and direct sunlight ones which might harm the growing of the roots. Some of them have started producing the roots too. This is the purple color flowering plant which I will soon share this video.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
The next plant in my list is this rubber plant. Rubber plants are quite common in tropical regions as they are native to them and so they can tolerate very high temperatures and extreme conditions. This one is the small leaf which has been pop up recently. My leaves of this rubber plant has become more shinier than the previous one as I have shown you how to remove the stains which I have done it recently with you. I will give the link below in the description box to how to remove the hard stains in the leaves. I have placed this rubber plant just next to the balcony where it receives 1 to 2 hours of daily sunlight. Although they receive the daily sunlight but they can thrive with partial or low light conditions too, which makes them best suits for the house plants. The next plant in my list is this pothos. Pothos or money plant, which is growing well here where it receives the partial and indirect sunlight. Pothos are considered to be the best indoor house plants recommended by everyone, as because they are the efficient cleaner of the house by absorbing the harmful chemicals and toxin substances like formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. I think this plant is doing very well here as because they are growing many shoots and aerial roots too. I have kept this plant just between these two shelves right next to the window where it receives the partial light. I used to mist the leaves regularly to promote the growth of the aerial roots. The next plant is also the Sansevieria tall variety, which is similar to the previous one which I have shown you earlier. This plant has grown almost 4 feet long, and this plant is almost a 4 years old plant which I have bought from a nursery when it was a small baby one. The pattern of the leaves looks so cool and attractive too. I have not repotted this plant yet, and I have kept this plant in a big poly bag which I have bought from the nursery and kept it in this ceramic pot. Now this plant has producing many babies which are growing very tall in height. Even I have propagated some of the babies too, which I will show you the videos how to propagate the snake plants. The pattern of the leaves and utilizing the vertical space helps the plant to grow very well. I have kept this beautiful tall plant just next to the TV unit in the living room where it receives the bright light but not the direct ones. Next plant in my list is the Areca palm. Areca palms are very easy growing plant and easy to maintain and easy to care. In small pots, their heights are maintained and restricted, which I have kept them next to the entrance door where it receives low light and thrives in the artificial halogen lights. In low light conditions, the leaves of the Areca palm has become more darker than the light ones. Although Areca palms are very easy growing plants and can thrive in the low light condition, but I usually keep them in a bright light once in a month for their better health.